Some people quietly make a difference in our lives. They are the ones who touch our life in some way or the other. They can make a difference in terms of showing gratitude, compassion, and warmth, stress management, etc. But most of us are busy in our own lives and therefore the least bothered to change our lives that of others. We need to take a break from our routines to help someone. Keep in mind that we too can make a difference to the lives of others. We just need to look around and find someone who needs our support and care. Life is not just to waste during every passing day. It is to live better every day. We need to promise ourselves that we will improve every day as a person. If you think you are already the best and you cannot be better, just read this story or listen this story. A little boy went into a grocery store, reached for a soda carton and pulled it over to the telephone. He climbed onto the carton so that he could reach the buttons on the phone and started punching in the phone number. The store owner listened to the conversation that followed. The boy said, "Ma'am, can you give me the job of cutting your lawn?" The woman at the other side of the phone replied, "I already have someone to cut my lawn." The boy answered again, "Ma'am, I'll cut your lawn for half the price of the person who is cutting your lawn now." The woman responded, "I'm very satisfied with the person who is presently cutting my lawn." The boy, with more perseverance, offered, "Ma'am, I'll even sweep your curb and your sidewalk, so on Sunday you will have the prettiest lawn in your area." The woman answered, "No, thank you." With a smile on his face, the little boy replaced the receiver. The grocery store owner, who was listening to all this, walked over to the boy and said, "Son, I like your gratitude. I like that positive spirit that would like to offer you a job." The little boy replied, "No, thanks. I was just checking my performance at the job I already have. I'm the one who is working for that lady I was talking to." This is what we call self-appraisal, which is highly recommended because it encourages you to be proud of your accomplishments and candid about your weaknesses. However good we are, we should always keep an eye on our performance and keep on checking if there is any scope for improvement. At the same time, we should also introspect to improve ourselves and increase our worth as a person. Self-worth is a favorable estimate of oneself. It comes from within us and we cannot get it extrinsically. Here are some simple ways to increase your worth. Nurture good feeling about yourself. Applaud yourself often. Speak positively to yourself about yourself. Write down something you feel proud about, preferably at the end of the day. Be open and honest with others. Be assertive. Learn to say no to others without offending them. Take pride in whatever work you do. Walk tall and proud. Dress smartly. Love yourself. Work on your strength rather than focus on your weaknesses. Reward your successes. Be honest with yourself. Help other people who need your care and support. Face your fears and challenges. Be optimistic. When you do this, you would feel better and more confident. When you feel more confident, you can do everything better. Then applaud yourself once again. Try not to compare yourself with others who are better skilled than you, because you will feel miserable. And if you compare yourself with those who are inferior in talent or capability, you may become arrogant and overconfident. So try to compare yourself with yourself. This can be done by asking yourself a few questions. Am I a better person than I was? How can I be a better person than I am today? And these questions will help you understand yourself, and you will improve in your life day by day, month by month, and year by year. Thank you.